I just discovered this new YouTube feature that a lot of creators are actually using to force the YouTube algorithm to recommend their videos, leading to much more views, much more watch hours, and much more subscribers on that their YouTube channel. I actually discovered this setting, or rather this feature, just last night, and I had to script the video immediately so I can come share it with you guys so that you guys can also implement it on your YouTube channel so that your channel can grow better here on YouTube. Also, if you have any questions towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys right now so I can start revealing these secrets, because you can never tell. It might just be that this feature is what you need to actually get that your one viral video that is going to blow up your YouTube channel. Because like I always say, most of the time you just need one viral video to change your YouTube journey. Like, just one video is enough, because once you get that video, everything about your YouTube channel is going to change. So without wasting further of your time, let's get right to it. Now simply open your YouTube Studio app on your mobile device. Then once it's open, you just have to click on your analytics. So once you click on analytics, you are going to see a section over here where you see top tips for your thumbnails, your weekly recap, and stuff like that. Now, one thing that you need to know as a creator is that whenever these viewers or potential viewers come on YouTube and they are scrolling through their YouTube feed, the one thing that mostly get their attention is when a thumbnail is looking super catchy. So if you are to increase your ability to create catchy thumbnails on YouTube, is definitely going to lead to a lot of people stopping and watching your video here on YouTube. So let's talk more about thumbnail. So what you have to do now, you just click on these top tips for your thumbnails. Now once you are here, YouTube is going to show you the thumbnail patterns that are actually working for your YouTube channel. So once you slide to the left, you are going to see these thumbnails are working well. So you can see some thumbnails patterns that are always working well for my YouTube channel. And even me myself, I've observed that whenever I create this kind of thumbnails that I normally add like these low views and high views, most of the times I mostly get a lot of views from such videos. And then now all you have to do is just slide again to the left, and now you are going to see, make sure that they are clear and easy to read. Thumbnails change sizes on different device. So you can see my different thumbnails, and as you can see right now, you can see that a lot of my thumbnails are actually looking very, very good, and also they are very easy to read. So I can say that I've already passed this test. So now let me slide to the left. So now you can see stand out next to other thumbnails, because like I always say, there's a lot of competition here on YouTube, like no joke about that. So if you are to look at this this stuff that you are seeing right now, you will actually testify that my thumbnails are actually standing out. Although there are not other thumbnails here, but let me say there are other creators here and their thumbnails are showing, I can assure you that my thumbnail is also going to stand out, because I'm putting a lot of effort in these thumbnails. Then now let's slide to the left. Now you see some other advice from YouTube. Now they are saying, always remember to find your style. Familiar colors, faces, and fonts help viewers return to your channel. Bold colors and designs are catchy, but too much is overwhelming. So they are just advising you on how you can create thumbnails. So all you just have to do is just read through and grab some information that will help you to create better thumbnails for your next video. Then if you slide, you are going to get to the end. Now you can see once more, watch for more ways to boost your thumbnail. So this is actually a video, though I'm not going to play the video, but once you get here, you can go ahead and also watch this video to learn more ways to improve your thumbnails, because the more your thumbnails is looking good, the more views you'll be getting on your YouTube channel, and that's facts. So while on your YouTube Studio app, if you are to scroll again, you're going to see this learn how YouTube recommends content. So if you are to click on this, you're going to see that recommendations are based on a few different things, and your audience is the main force behind them. What this means is that if your audience, or rather your subscribers, react positively to your videos, YouTube is going to recommend your video much more. But if your subscribers are not reacting positively to your videos, it's going to recommend your video less. That's what this section actually means. So if you have to slide to the left, you see, do your videos stand out to people? Pretend you are a viewer that doesn't know your channel. What would you click on? So if I'm actually a viewer that doesn't know my channel and I haven't seen these thumbnails before, and there are other videos around this section, I think I'm actually going to click at least two of my thumbnails in here, because these thumbnails are actually standing out. So that's why I'm actually saying that if you are a creator here on YouTube, you need to work harder on your thumbnails, because there are a lot of competition and your thumbnails need to be standing out. That's why I actually like this test, because this test is actually asking you to judge your own channel by yourself and tell yourself if your thumbnails are actually looking good or not. But for me, what I'm seeing right here is actually good, so I think I'm actually doing a good job. But if you are looking at this section and you don't like what you are seeing, then that means you need to improve on your YouTube thumbnails. Now, if you are to slide again to the left, you are going to see this section that says, do your video keep people watching? Now, according to the result that I'm seeing here, it's actually saying that whenever people are watching my 6-minute videos, some people are actually watching for 2 minutes 40 seconds. But when it comes to other popular videos by other creators here on YouTube, which is this many popular 6-minute video, you see that people are actually watching those videos for like 3 minutes 20 seconds, which means I'm actually doing a good job, because people are watching mine for 2 minutes 40 seconds, but other popular videos are getting 3 minutes 20 seconds. So it's kind of close. So I can say I'm actually doing a good job, which is why I normally say that you should structure your videos, especially that your intro. Make sure it's super catchy, so that a lot of people will be able to watch your video for a longer time. So it's super important. So if you are to scroll to the left again, you are going to see, don't forget how people are influenced by. Are you choosing a popular or unique topic, which have to do with like the kind of topics that you're actually using for your video? Then you see these competitions I've been talking about. Are there other videos on the topic that they could watch? And that's for sure. There will definitely be other videos that people can watch, because there's higher competition here on YouTube. Then you see seasonality. Can your content match different interests during the year? This actually brings me to idea farming once more. That's why I say, as a creator, you need to always do idea farming and jump on trends, so that you will always stay relevant. Each and every year you're always relevant, because you're always jumping on trends, jumping on the latest topic and stuff like that. So if you are not doing that, make sure you are doing that on your YouTube channel. So if you were to slide again, we're going to get to the end. And now you can see, learn more from an expert on YouTube recommendation. So if you want to learn more about YouTube recommendation, you can actually watch this video over here to learn more about that. Now, if you are to slide again to the left in your YouTube Studio app, you are going to see how viewers find your video. So if you are to click on this, it's going to load up a little bit. All you have to do is just slide to the left. And this is actually kind of like targeted depending on your channel and how your channel is performing. So what I'm actually seeing in my own is not going to be what you're seeing in your own YouTube channel, or rather in your YouTube Studio app. So what we're actually seeing here, we can see that my views are actually coming from up next, 37% of it, and then 31% of my views is coming from the YouTube home, and then 17% of my views are actually coming from YouTube search. So if we slide to the left again, let's just keep sliding. Now you are going to see top videos leading viewers to more of your content. And these two creators that you can see over here that I'm actually getting views from, they're actually people that I normally recreate their video on my channel. So I'm not actually surprised to see them here, which means that my strategy is actually working. So if we are to slide again to the left, home is what viewers first see when they visit YouTube. What will make a new viewer choose one of your videos? So let's keep sliding. Now you can see these were most found on home. So these are actually my videos that are top performing in the home section of YouTube. So in here I'll be able to see the ones that are actually performing well over there, and I can actually adjust to create more content like this, so that more videos will actually be in the home section of YouTube, leading to much more views to my YouTube channel. Now if we are to slide again, we're going to see search views come from people looking for specific terms on YouTube. So this is actually more like people that are finding me on the search. So if we scroll to the left again, you can see different things that people are searching for that are actually bringing up my channel. I'm even glad to see that Danny Creator is one of the things that people are searching for, because normally I feel like my channel is still small and people are not searching for my name, but I can see here that people are actually searching for my name. So let's move to the left. Imagine how people will find your next creation. Bear that in mind as you create and package your content. So what they're actually saying here is that you should actually improve your next content that you are going to be uploading on your YouTube channel. So that's what this place is typically just saying. So once you scroll to the left again, we're going to get to the end of the page. You can see watch for more details on YouTube search and discovery. So if you are to watch this video over here, although it's not loading up correctly, but if you are to watch this video, you are going to learn more about how you can be getting your videos to show in the YouTube search much more often and getting discovered here on YouTube. So I don't know about you guys, but I've given you something that you can go and check on your YouTube channel, rather in your YouTube Studio app right now, to find out how your videos are performing. So if I was someone that's actually watching this video, I will actually rush down to my YouTube Studio app right now to go and check out this session, so I can know if my channel is actually performing well or not. So I will know if I should adjust my strategy or continue using the same strategy for my YouTube channel. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.